Hi, friends! Welcome back! Look who's here! It's Benny! Today we are back on the farm. Are you ready to learn about more farm animals? Let's take a look. Look over here. Do you know what animal this is? It's a goat. Goats live on farms and they like to climb and explore. Can you say goat with me? Goat! Great job! Now look at this animal. Do you know what it is? It's a rooster. Roosters live on farms and they wake everyone up in the morning. Let's say rooster together. Rooster! Nice work! Let's keep going. Do you know what animal this is? It's a donkey. Donkeys are strong animals that help farmers carry things. Can you say donkey with me? Donkey! Awesome! Today we learned 3 farm animals: a goat, a rooster, and a donkey. You did a great job learning with Benny. See you next time. Bye-bye, friends.
Thanks for learning with us today. You can subscribe or follow Benny and Friends for more fun learning videos.